There's a part of your computer you interact with more than almost anything else, more than your browser, more than your file manager, more than any application you have ever installed. You have clicked it thousands of times without thinking about it. And for a significant number of Windows 11 users, at some point over the past 2 years, that click stopped feeling instant. It started subtly, a fraction of a second longer than expected, an animation that seemed to hesitate before completing. A search result that took just long enough to appear that you noticed the wait, small enough to dismiss, persistent enough to become quietly maddening. The Start menu was lagging, and Microsoft has been listening. The Start menu is not simply a list of applications. It is the psychological center of the Windows experience, the point at which the operating system communicates its responsiveness, its capability, and its relationship with the person using it. When it is fast, you do not notice it. When it is slow, you notice nothing else. Windows 11 launched with a redesigned Start menu that divided opinion immediately. The centered taskbar, the simplified layout, the removal of live tiles that had defined Windows 10's identity. But beneath the aesthetic debate, something more practical was happening on certain hardware configurations. Users began reporting delays, not catastrophic freezes, not crashes, something more insidious, inconsistent responsiveness that made the interface feel uncertain of itself. The search function within the Start menu, one of its most heavily used features, exhibited indexing delays that caused results to populate slowly. On systems with traditional storage or limited RAM, the effect was pronounced. On higher specification hardware, it was subtler, but still present enough to generate consistent feedback across Windows forums and community discussions. The cause was not singular. It was the product of multiple interacting systems. The Windows Search indexing service competing with foreground tasks, background telemetry processes consuming CPU cycles during UI interactions, and animation rendering that did not always prioritize the responsiveness of the shell over background system activity. The Start menu, for all its visual simplicity, is backed by considerable system complexity. Understanding what Microsoft changed requires understanding what was happening beneath it. Microsoft's cumulative updates arrive quietly. They do not announce themselves with dramatic marketing. They appear in Windows Update with technical descriptions that most users never read, carrying changes that range from critical security patches to subtle performance refinements that affect the daily experience in ways the changelog does not fully communicate. The update at the center of this discussion includes specific optimizations directed at the Windows shell, the layer of the operating system responsible for the desktop environment, the taskbar, and the Start menu. Microsoft's documented changes. Reference improvements to Start menu launch time, reductions in the search result population delay, and refinements to how the shell manages its interaction with the Windows Search service during periods of background indexing activity. The distinction between confirmed changes and user-reported experiences is important to maintain here. Microsoft's official documentation describes the optimization targets. Whether any individual user experiences those optimizations depends on their specific hardware configuration, the state of their search index, and the background processes running on their system at any given moment. What the patch addresses, technically, is the scheduling priority of shell rendering processes relative to background services. When you click the Start menu, the operating system must communicate with the search indexer, retrieve recent application usage data for the recommended section, and render the interface, all within a time frame short enough that the response feels immediate. Previous builds handled resource contention between these operations less efficiently than the current update does. 200 milliseconds. That is approximately the threshold at which human perception begins to register a response delay as a lag, rather than an instant reaction. Interface designers and human-computer interaction researchers have documented this threshold extensively. Below it, interactions feel immediate. Above it, they feel slow. The difference between a Start menu that opens in 150 milliseconds and one that opens in 350 milliseconds is invisible in any benchmark that measures seconds, and completely perceptible to the person sitting at the keyboard. This is why shell performance optimizations, which might seem minor compared to feature additions or security improvements, have an outsized impact on user perception of the operating system as a whole. A Windows 11 installation with excellent security, comprehensive AI features, and a reliable cloud integration that responds slowly to basic interface interactions feels worse than an older operating system with fewer capabilities that responds instantly. Memory management is central to this dynamic. The Start menu's backing processes maintain cached data, recent applications, frequently used items, search index connections, that allows subsequent openings to be faster than the first. When background processes compete for memory and that cache is evicted, the next Start menu interaction bears the full cost of rebuilding it. The patch improves how this cache is prioritized relative to competing background memory demands. CPU scheduling follows similar logic. The Windows scheduler determines which processes receive processor time and in what order. prioritizing shell rendering during active user interaction, rather than allowing background telemetry or indexing services to consume cycles at the moment the user has clicked something, is the mechanism through which responsiveness improvements are delivered. Windows 11 has followed a development trajectory that its initial release did not fully predict. The launch version was a statement of direction, a new visual identity, new hardware requirements, new integration with Microsoft's cloud ecosystem that prioritized the expression of a future vision over the refinement of existing fundamentals. The cumulative updates that have followed, release by release, tell a different story. Each one carries a mixture of security patches, feature additions, and the quiet performance work that transforms an operating system from capable to polished. The start menu optimizations in the current patch represent this third category, work that generates no marketing headlines, but that changes the daily experience of the operating system for millions of users. This pattern reflects a broader reality about how modern operating systems are developed. The major version release establishes the architecture. The update cycle refines it. Users who evaluated Windows 11 at launch and formed strong opinions based on that experience are evaluating a different product than the one that exists today. User feedback drives more of this refinement than Microsoft's engineering-centric communications typically acknowledge. The consistent volume of start menu performance complaints in Windows Feedback Hub submissions, community forums, and technology publications created a signal that engineering teams could not ignore. The patch exists in part because enough people reported the problem clearly enough and consistently enough that it became a documented priority. The honest answer is that the update is worth installing, not because it guarantees a dramatic transformation of the Windows 11 experience on every machine, but because it addresses a genuine issue with changes that have no meaningful downside for the overwhelming majority of users. The users most likely to notice the improvement are those running Windows 11 on hardware at or near the minimum specification, systems where resource contention between the shell and background services is most pronounced, and where the scheduling improvements, therefore, have the most room to produce perceptible change. Mid-range and higher specification systems may see smaller improvements, not because the optimization is less real, but because the problem was less severe on hardware with more headroom to absorb background process overhead. Compatibility considerations. With cumulative Windows updates are generally minimal for consumer hardware. The standard guidance applies, ensure that critical files are backed up before any major update, allow the update process to complete without interruption, and allow the system a full restart cycle before evaluating performance changes, since certain optimizations only fully take effect after the first complete boot following installation. Expect improvement. Do not expect transformation. The start menu will open faster on systems where it was opening slowly. Search results will populate more quickly in configurations where indexing contention was causing delays. The operating system will feel more responsive in the specific interaction that billions of Windows users perform more frequently than almost any other. You click the Start menu thousands of times while a performance issue sat inside it, invisible to the marketing materials, present in the daily experience. The patch that addresses it will not appear in product advertisements. It will not be the subject of a press release or a feature showcase. It will arrive in Windows Update like every other cumulative release, quietly, technically, and without ceremony. But the next time you click that button and the menu opens with the immediacy that the interaction always deserved, you will have felt the product of engineering work that happened specifically because users reported what they experienced and Microsoft listened. That is a smaller story than a major Windows release. It is also, in many ways, a more important one, because the question worth asking about Windows 11 is not whether it has impressive features. It does. The question is whether the operating system that runs on hundreds of millions of machines every day feels, in the moments that matter most, like something that respects the person using it. One patch at a time, the answer is getting closer to yes.